All right, guys, this is Grow Folds with another plant unboxing. I just got a plant shipment from Lauren's Leaves from Houston. So thank you so much for getting this wish list plant. It's a special type of alocasia that I got it for a very good price. As you can see, it's already in a protected box. So I can already tell that Lauren really did take the time to insulate the box, make sure that it's good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and start with this little unboxing right here. Go ahead and do that. I'm so glad that there is some insulation as the weather has been quite cold. So we'll see how this all turns out from Lauren's Leaves. So hopefully you guys are liking some of the new plant content that I've been having lately on Grow Folds. I know that I've been doing a lot of like origami ASMR, and if you guys see, it's mostly just origami paper cranes. I have a thing for that. It's very relaxing. But now I am back to plant content, so you will see more and more plants from me. I plan to do quite a bit, and we'll see about doing a face reveal sometime soon, maybe when I get my import from Indonesia. So as you can see, this has been quite the unboxing so far already. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Really appreciative of just anybody who sends plants and puts in a lot of care. So as you can see, even from the last unboxing, like the Happy Canopy one that I got from Etsy, we have the protective screen here and more protective screen here. And now for the actual plants. So that's the bottom part. We'll go ahead and slowly unbox this special type of alocasia that I got from the online plant purge. I am just really thankful that I've been able to meet some really cool plant friends here online. The plant community online typically is a very friendly and caring plant. I saw Lauren's Leaves at the recent Texas Rare Aroid show that just happened in Dallas. So really excited to buy more plants from her. So let's take a look at this. Oh my goodness, look at that. It is my variegated Aurea alocasia. And the thing about alocasias is, guys, they don't always ship very well, but as you can see, if you start off with a healthy plant, you will definitely get more out of it. So you can see right here, it is packaged well, 3 leaves, and we'll go ahead and give you a close-up. All right, guys, here is a close-up of this variegated Alocasia Aurea. You can see that Lauren sent me a very healthy Alocasia. It's already got 3 leaves. Look at that right there. And if you go closer, look, there's already another growth point. It's growing in sphagnum right now. I'm gonna let this one live its best life over the winter. I now have 2 variegated alocasia. I have an Albo and now an Aurea. So super excited to grow this in my collection. It's gonna go under a grow light next to a humidifier, just because I know alocasia sometimes, actually not sometimes, typically can get spider mites, and that's just another pest that for some reason alocasias are prone to. But you can see this is a very nice little starter plant, very healthy. I love it and appreciate it. And I'm so thankful to Lauren's Leaves for sending me this healthy looking alocasia. and I got it for such a great price, hoping that I can grow this and maybe get some more babies out of it to share with some of my plant friends. So guys, if you like more of this plant content, please leave comments. Let me know what kind of content you want to see in terms of plants. I have more on the way in terms of some of the videos I'm going to be posting. And I'm really enjoying sharing my passion for plants. So I guess I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Until next time, let me know what other plants that you guys want to see, okay? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, like, and have the notification bell to grow folds. I'll see you soon. Thank you.